Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily set the incoming call to banner or to full screen. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up settings, then scroll down until you find phone, and right here you can easily find incoming calls. Just tap on that, and right here you can set up the appearance of incoming calls when your iPhone is unlocked. By default it's set to banner, and you can in that simple way switch it to the full screen if you want. This feature controls all the incoming calls, including phone, FaceTime, WhatsApp calls, Telegram calls, and all other apps you use to receive calls. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.